Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record videos on PICO for Ultra. To record videos, go to the camera app, which you can either find on the dock or in the library. And you can see it opens the camera app. You can switch between video and photo mode. And then to take a photo or video, just press on trigger, which is here. And it takes the photo. Then you can go here and view it in spatial mode. You can also go to immersive view and click on three dots to share the photo. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.